Assalamu alaikum everyone.
I am Samar Fazil, founder of Daughters of Legacy.
And I am Shafika Fareen, co-founder of Daughters of Legacy. Today we are here to invite you all on our upcoming webinar, which is going to happen on 1st, 2nd, 3rd May.
She Builder, Stories of Women Entrepreneurs Leading Pakistan.
In this webinar, we are going to invite top inspiring women entrepreneurs of Pakistan, जो अपनी struggle, success and strategy शेयर करेंगी हमारी ऑडियंस के साथ.
A1 Rise, डर को पीछे छोड़ के आगे बढ़ने का सफर.
Day 2 Scale, अपने आइडिया को इनकम में तब्दील करें.
Day 3 Lead, एक ऐसी लीडर बने जो अपनी लेगेसी छोड़ जाए.
चाहे आप स्टूडेंट हैं, फ्रीलांसर हैं, हाउसवाइफ हैं या स्मॉल बिजनेस ओनर हैं, this webinar is only for you.
So don't wait, go and register yourself for She Builder.
And so can you.
See you next.